I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've already installed Gboard and set it as your default keyboard. Now open a text field and tap the keyboard's gear icon to access settings. If the gear isn't visible, go to Settings, then System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and choose Gboard. You do this because direct access shows the most relevant customization options immediately. Once you're in, scan the top section for themes, text correction, and glide typing so you can jump to the features you want to change. Now customize the core features. Tap Themes to pick light, dark, high contrast, or add a custom image. This affects visibility and battery use. Then open text correction to toggle suggestions, autocorrect strength, and add words to your personal dictionary. This makes typing faster and more accurate. Next, enable or refine glide typing and voice typing in preferences so swipe input and dictation match your speed and accent. Make sure to test each change in a message to confirm the behavior. Finish by adjusting preferences like key height, layout, one-handed mode, and long press delay to match your hand size and typing style. In advanced settings, manage clipboard, languages, and input assistance, and enable backup to your Google account so personal data persists. If something breaks, for example repeated wrong suggestions or unresponsive keys, clear Gboard cache and app info, force stop, and restart. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall Gboard. Restarting your device after reinstall often resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.